Hello and welcome to this video. First of all, I would like to thank you for installing Zappy thank you page Upsell. I am Arpit and today I'll demonstrate how to use the Zappy thank you page Upsell funnels. So right now I'm on the app's dashboard and you can see that we have options to see the converted orders, the upsell revenue. You also have the option to either enable or disable the upsell funnel. Right now it is enabled. If you go down, you will see the revenue growth numbers, the funnel views, your top performing funnels. So it's quite an intuitive dashboard which gives you a overall picture of how your upsell funnels are performing. Moving on to the next tab, the funnels tab. So this is where you actually create your upsell funnels. And we have two types of upsell funnels, one for the cart page and one for the thank you page. As you can see, I have one for the cart page and one for the thank you page already created, but I'll walk you through on how to create these funnels and how it appears on your store. The next tab here is the customize option. So you can basically change the appearance of your upsell funnels to match with your store's theme. And all of these options can be customized, and we'll talk about this in a bit. And the next option here is the support option. So if you have any questions, you can post your query over here and send us an email, and we will take a look at your query right away. So let's jump on to the funnel section and let's create our first upsell funnel. So first of all, you have to specify a name for your funnel and where do you want to show it. So we have the thank you page option as well as the cart page option. So let's start with the thank you page. So let's call it thank you test. And you see the trigger rules over here. So you have four different type of trigger rules that you can set. The first one is to show the funnel for all the products. So regardless of the product type, whenever a customer completes a purchase, they will be shown the upsell funnel that you built. Or let's say you want to upsell a similar product. For example, if you're selling an electronic device and you want to upsell a charger along with that, so you can specify the product and the upsell will only be triggered if the customer has added that specific product in their cart and they proceed and complete the purchase. So you can just type the name of your product to search. So one of the products that we have on our example store is a pillow. So you can just see that I have typed the name and it appears over here and you can just select it. The next option is to show for a specific collection. So it's self-explanatory. You can specify a specific collection and the funnel will only be activated for that specific collection. And the last option is to show the funnel only for a cart value that you specify. So if you want to show the funnel to people who have, let's say, made a purchase of $50 and above, only those people would be shown this funnel. So for the purpose of this demonstration, let's show for all the products and hit the next button. Now here you have to select which product you want to show the upsell for. So as I showed you in the example below, let's go ahead with this pillow. And once you select the product, you will see a small little preview on the right side of how it will appear on your store. Now these are the options that you can customize. So you have a countdown timer over here that creates a sense of urgency. You specify if a deal is unlocked for the customer, so you are enticing them to purchase another product from your store. And this is the product description basically, and then the pricing. So you can change all of this. So the offer text is what appears here, and you can change or edit this as well. So let's say we are offering a 20% discount, so you have to specify a discount which matches with your offer text. So let's keep it at 20% and you will see here that the price changes accordingly. So you also have a few options like showing the offer description. You can limit the number of products a customer can buy on your upsell. You can also enable or disable free shipping. So once you enable the free shipping, you will see the free shipping bar appear over here. Offer description is anything that you want to add on your upsell. So let's say you want to create a sense of urgency again, and you want to mention that the shipping is free. Maybe we can add valid only for today. I mean, anything that you want to add as a description, and it'll show at the bottom of your funnel. So this is how you create the upsell offer. Now we have the option to add up to 3 upsells. So this is the first one that we have added. If you go on to the next step, you again need to select a product. So I have this pet cat costume. Let me try to upsell that. And this is just an example, right? So make sure that your upsells or cross sells that you are displaying on your funnel is pretty much relevant to what product you're selling, because that is how we see most of the conversions happen. So again, we'll give this at a 20% discount. We'll offer free shipping. Next step, this is the third one. So if you want to just add 1 or 2 upsells, you can entirely skip the option to add more upsells, and then it will take you to the next page. For the demonstration, let me add another product. I think there was something again with respect to the cat one, hair remover, right? Yep. Okay. So again, we'll give a 20% discount here for free shipping. So now we have added all our 3 upsells, and you can navigate here with previous offer or next offer, and this will also show to the customer. Now let's move on to the next step. So here you can specify the funnel rules, right? So you want to show both on desktop or laptop and mobile devices. So you can enable the both option, or if you just want to show it on mobile devices, you can select the mobile devices option. Our upsell funnels work great with mobile devices, so you don't have to worry about that. So right now I'll just select both. And you also have a couple of more fields to choose from. So if you don't want the funnel to show if the customer has already purchased or added the product to the cart, you can turn this off. And if you want to show this to the customers only once, you can again check this box. So I think we are pretty much done. So let's save our funnel. And as you can see, the one that we created just now, the thank you test, it has been created, it's enabled. Now you have other options here. So you can either edit this funnel, you can see the analytics by clicking on this button. If you want to clone this and make some changes, let's say create another funnel, but you don't want to do the manual work again, you can simply clone it. You can remove it if you don't want to use it anymore. And there's a small option called preview. So if you click on this button, this is how your upsell funnel will look on your store. So you can preview if everything is in order, and that's pretty much, and you're done. So now let's go back to the funnel menu. So this was for the thank you page. Now similarly, you can create a funnel for the cart page. So let's call this cart page test, and we have selected the cart page here. We'll go with the first option here again, and instead of 3, just select 1 upsell in this case. So I have something called as knee support. Let me select that. I'll give a 20% discount with free shipping. Next step. And I don't want to add another upsell offer to this, so I'll just skip. And the funnel rules again, I'll show it both on mobile and desktop devices. And then I'll save the funnel. So this is our cart page test that we created. Again, if you want to preview it, just click on the preview button and see if everything is in order and looks good. So you notice that on the cart page, you have the option to skip it because when the person moves to checkout from the cart, they'll get this pop-up and they can either grab this deal or skip it to continue to checkout, right? So it's non-intrusive. It can be minimized by the customer. Same with the thank you page as well, and they can, proceed with the checkout as they regularly would. All right, so this is my demo store. Now let me show you how the cart page upsell would appear to your customer. So let's say I'm a customer, I'm browsing through your Zappy demo store, okay? And I like this product and I add this to cart. So when I click checkout to move on to the next step, your upsell will pop up. The one that you created for your cart page, right? With just one upsell. So the customer has the option to either grab this deal or skip, right? And they can also minimize this, so it's non-intrusive. So when they click on the grab this deal, this offer will automatically be applied to customers checkout, right? So as you can see, the upsell offer for my knee brace has already been applied with a 20% discount to the customer's cart. So initially the customer was purchasing products worth 25.98, and now I have enticed the customer to add an upsell for $7.89. So my average order value here increased from 25.98 to 33.87. Pretty cool, right? And the customer can now enter the contact information and then proceed to payment and complete the purchase. So this was for the cart upsell. Now let us see how the thank you page upsell works. So here I have some test orders that I have placed. So let's open this one. All right. Let me go to the order status page, that is the thank you page, and show how the customer will be shown our thank you page upsell. So here, this page will appear when the customer has already made a purchase from you. And after that, as we created 3 upsell offers in our thank you page funnel, you can see that they have the option to choose any of these 3 offers from your thank you page upsell funnel. And if they choose to grab this deal, this product will automatically be added to the customer's cart. And as you can see, since they already have their contact information filled up, they don't have to add that again. They can simply enter the card information and proceed to payment. So this is how you can leverage the existing customer loyalty and provide them with good post-purchase upsell offers so that your average order value increases substantially. The next thing I wanted to show you is how you can customize your upsell funnels. So you need to visit the Customize tab in order to find this widget text and theme and color option. We recommend that you customize the widget according to your store's theme. This way the funnel will look good on your store as well as non-intrusive. It also creates good brand value. So let's say I want to change the color of the grab this deal button over here. So I can simply click and pick from any of these colors that I like, and it'll show you real time how it'll look like. You can also just enter the hex value here in order to change it to the color that you like. So let me revert it to my previous one by entering the hex value, and you can see that it has changed over here. Apart from the themes and colors, you also have the option to change the text. So you can change how your button will appear. You can change this grab this deal to, let's say, buy now. And you can also change the timer over here. So right now it's for 60 seconds. Let me try to make it for 5 minutes or 300 seconds, and it will change over here. So basically this upsell funnel is highly customizable, and you can change the things as you like and just hit on the save changes. And this is how you can customize your Zappy thank you page upsell funnels. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and it will help you create your thank you page and the card upsell funnel. So do try it out and let us know if you need any more help by navigating to the support section. Cheers to more sales.